Hello everybody, in today's episode I will show you how to replace the gas struts on any car. Today I'm working on this BMW. I'm doing a lot of work on this car, so you will see more videos on how to replace things specifically for E19. This car is from 2010 and in this episode I will show you how to replace the hood struts. They are the same for almost any car, doesn't matter what year or brand. It's the same for the trunk and it's very easy to replace them. If your hood or trunk is not staying open, the problem is with the gas struts. So today I will show you how to replace them. I already bought mine with about 20 or 30 bucks, I'm not sure, depends on the car and from where you buy them. And to replace them you just need a flat screwdriver, and if you are looking on the corners of each strut, as we can see right there, there is a metal pin. You'll have to push from that metal pin in order to release the strut. And after you remove that metal pin, the strut can be removed very easily. You just have to pull or to push it outside, and after that it will come out very easy. Just follow what I'm doing, it's very simple and you don't need any tools to do it. You just need a flat screwdriver, and in some cases you don't even need it because the strut can be so worn out that they came out very easy just by pulling from them. Okay, so I'm done with removing the metal pins, and from here you just have to give it a little pull and that's it. Like so. One tip I have to give you when installing the new gas struts is you don't have to use any screwdriver. You just have to push them onto the place and that's it, because they already have the clips and the clips will be pushed out when you're forcing it to stay onto the support, and that's it. It's very easy. Only if you're seeing that the mounting clips are not staying properly or they are not aligned, you can then use a flat screwdriver, but that's all you have to do. Okay, for the other side it's the same thing. You have to do it the same way. You don't have to do anything special, just pull them out and install the new one, and that's all you have to do. Here I'm testing if the hood is staying open with only one strut, but it's not staying open. The one strut is not helping it, but you will see at the end how easily it can be opened and how easily will be pushed out with the new struts mounted onto the car. Okay everybody, everything is mounted in, everything is installed properly onto the car. Let's check if the new struts do their job, and from what I can see the hood can be opened very easy. You just have to lift it a little and from there the struts take it. Now it's very good, it's very easy to open the hood. You don't have to hold it, especially if you're living on a downhill or something like that. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.